Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Jason. This episode I will introduce the main part of the planetary mixer. Let's go and have a look. And the machine has four main parts. The first one is the shaft. The shaft is used to mixing the materials to be the better performance. It also can be changed to the spring type, the pedal type, also the twist type. And the second one is tank. The tank is used to hold the materials we need to process. And the third one is the operation box. The operation box can use it for do the order operation like the start, stop, and lifting down, lifting up. And also the final one is the lifting system. The lifting system is like the tank to lifting up and get sealing with cover. Okay, fine. In next episode, I will introduce the comparison of the planetary mixer. If you like our video, please don't forget to follow us by the below video. We are the paint and mechanical machine.